This is one of the things that you do that people see what make them to come to you. Okay, success is the one of the thing that you do that people see what made them to come to you. You can't become a successful person where you don't have anything that you are doing. You can't become a successful person when you don't have anything you are doing. You don't have a business idea. You don't learn anything handwork. You don't know anything about the world. Because in a society today we are, some people, when they wake up in the morning, they don't even do anything. They move around, go around, come here, blah 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 stuff, looking for somebody they want to beg for money, looking for somebody they want to distract, do this for me. I said to a man that, do you know the way you are asking money from those people? They have their personal problem they are passing through. Go and learn work, learn handwork. Somebody that have a handwork and somebody that go to university, they are almost the same level. You can learn handwork today in the time you program yourself. Say, after my handwork, when I start my own personal company or my personal enterprises, I can fall back to school. Education doesn't pass anybody by, except you don't have a determination of your life. But if you have a determination of your life, those things that you have, skill work is paying. Skill work is paying. You can be a tailor, you can be a barber, you can be a nurse, you can learn something that you can be a baker. You know, skill work is paying. It will help you a lot. It will take you out of insult. It will take you out of shame. It will make you live a good life, that you can afford something for yourself. That you can afford something for yourself. The youth of this generation, there are so many things that I'm doing right now. Yeah, is the most thing that I learned before when I was at home in Nigeria. But many people doesn't understand how this thing used to pay you back in the future.